Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's a lovely day, so I'm in my lovely colors. Yeah. But guys, you know what I was just thinking about just now? Whenever a black woman tries to find a partner who is financially stable and who she sees as a good provider and someone who is going to be able to provide for her family, her future family, she is looked upon as being a gold digger. But this when a woman of another background does it, it's like nobody bats an eyelid. It's okay for them to go after a man because of how financially resourceful he is, because at the end of the day you want to start a family and you don't want to start a family with someone who is not able to provide. So don't get me wrong, I don't have an issue with females that do that, black or white or yellow. You understand me? Because nobody wants to start a family where in poverty. So because men are the ruler, a lot of us look towards men who have accomplished a way of life, a standard of living. That is not taken away from the fact that if we choose to be independent and work on ourselves, we are also doing that. So we're not just going in the relationship simply because the guy has money. But if it's somebody that we are attracted to, because sometimes love not even come in it, if it's someone who we are attracted to and who we want to procreate with, we don't want our children to be born in poverty. So when I see a lot of white females do it, I understand the reason behind why they do it, and I don't see anything wrong with it. But why is it whenever a black woman does the same thing, people call her gold digger and this and that and all the other? And while I'm saying this, I'm just making like a reference to Vybz Kartel's wife, fiance. Hear me following the people saying wife. His fiance, because she married him. They got engaged while he was in prison, incarcerated. Well, I don't know how people do that, but that is their story as to how you choose to meet people and the type of relationship you choose to have. I am sure if Vybz Kartel was a poor person in the gutter, that Turkish girl would not have seen him. She would not have approached him. She would not have jumped in his DM. She do all her research and know say the man have some money, and because say a lot of Jamaican men, when they come on to, we have some issue with color. Yeah, we're not even gonna preach it up. A lot of Jamaican men, I'm not saying all, but a lot of them, I don't know the problem with the color of the female, whether you can dark skin like me, because although I've never had an issue, but yeah. So what I'm saying is that it is not wrong for women to do that, but why must you call out a certain set of women as being gold diggers whenever they do something like that? And whenever, let's say, a Turkish person does it, we don't bat an eyelid. So I just came in and I thought the light in my kitchen looked fantastic. So therefore the sun is coming in, the sun is setting over there. So evening time my kitchen is quite nice and warm. Yeah. So yeah, as I was saying before, a lot of when ladies seek to find men that are financially stable so that they can have they know that whenever they starting a family, the kids will be provided for, because that's what women need. No woman not go pick no weak men, nor men that are not able to function in a certain way. So as I said, I totally understand that. But why is it when black women do it, they are called gold diggers by majority black man, but when somebody who is from Turkey seek out someone from Jamaica, and if that man was poor, you wouldn't see that man. So when you go out and you seek some, and I'm not saying she's wrong for that, because at the end of the day, everybody want what they want and how they want in life. But I'm sure that her Turkish family is not approving. Me feel like she the black sheep in our family. You can't tell me nothing. The way how Turkish people stay, them not gonna approve a she, and that I mean they will accept it, but that will not be their first choice for their daughter. And Vibes Cartel probably about 20 years older than that young girl. And yeah, he's probably at least 2 decades older than that young lady. So it's like him, yeah, cannot give some freak, like some pervy thing. Let me not know. You know, everybody free to do what it is that they want to do. And as I said, this is not about Cartel and him woman or anything. It's just the view that I'm having. I'm just peeping, saying, when black woman search for man with money, what they want to deal with, then call a gold digger. But when other people do it, nobody don't see anything wrong with it. All of a sudden, it's like me not understand how. So hi guys, this is a message that was shared to Dr. Umar. It says, "Greetings, King. I just wanted to share some info with you. I know you're going to Jamaica soon. The white woman worship is way out of hand down there. Famous dancehall artist Vibes Cartel just got released from prison and immediately hugged up on a white woman that he claimed to be his new wife. The picture attached is a shot of his new coming album. It's beyond disgusting and a disgrace to Jamaica and black women. Please make sure to address this deep, deep self-hatred down there." Guys, what do you think about what this person is saying? These are not my words. These are just a message that was sent to Dr. Umar in regards to the current situation.
Let me ask you a question, Dr. Umar. Are you totally against interracial relationships?
I am totally against it, and I want to make sure you understand why. It's not because... Cut it out, Envy. We have a name for it, the Snow Bunny Crisis.
Okay.
I am against the Snow Bunny Crisis. And I want your white listeners to understand. Because people be trying to say stuff like, he's the Black Hitler. I'm not the Black Hitler. I am in no way interested in hurting or harming the life of any human, white, Asian, Chinese. I believe in respecting everybody. The reason I'm against interracial marriage, Envy and Charlemagne, is because marriage is an economic contract. Most women do not marry down in status. They marry up. Have you ever seen a rich white woman marry a broke-ass black man? No, you have not, and you never will. Because marriage ain't about love, it's not colorblind, and it is totally economic.
saying anything.
Babes, me can't do a video in peace.
You know you can't.
Shut your dick. Anthony Miller. I see you show a piece of the video where me a wild up see them. Don't make she tricky, yeah?
What?
You saying she get mad? She a
Mad,
throw
yeah, get.
she a throw a pot. She a throw a plate.
Aye.
She a throw a spoon.
Uh-huh.
She a throw the little plastic fork them.
Uh-huh.
She a throw a napkin. Nobody pay no mind. I want little
And
terrorist.
even for you, innit?
You can't throw me. Go on where I go. I'm out.
The mindset of our fellow Jamaicans are, because when it come on to side them, Turkish girl the vibes cartel they with, when it come on to side them, it's like we as black people, we are so brainwashed, and I know a lot of you guys are not gonna agree with me, and that's okay because I have my own opinion and you've got your own opinion. But I'm just thinking a lot of us are brainwashed, and the simplest thing we see a person who is not of color, the simplest thing we see them do is like we put them on this high pedestal and say, oh, she just simple and she just nice and she not this and she not that and she not that. But at the same time, if uno artist go there with that simple black Jamaican person, you guys are still the one that go come back and complain and say, oh, what kind of little idiot that thing can, you know, it's like you guys will always have something negative to say when it comes on to your own, but you will lift up somebody will come from Turkey, where Turkish people sure, let me not say anything. Yeah, I like Turkish food still. Yeah, but you don't normally find a lot of interracial relationship with Turkish and black, so it's not a popular choice that you would normally see. But the people them who come from Jamaica and the ladies, it's like them take up this thing, it's like them almost want to pray side them. Like me I say, it's just a girl that saw a man who is in prison. She had lost her fire from him in a prison. She said she had listened to Cartel's song from she was younger. So them little bad Turkish pitney way over here. If you don't live in this country, you're not gonna understand what I'm saying. So it's like you have some tearaway kids. The one them kind of tear away from them culture a bit and divulge a lot. Is it divulge or indulge? A lot into like our culture then, because a lot of people are fascinated. We little but we tell our, you know. So a lot of people are fascinated with Jamaicans. And like, yeah, I just say go like we true. Whether you want to believe it is or no, we believe it. And as long as we believe it, that's all that matters. And I'm living in this country long enough to know what is what and what is what. So I know that like a girl she was a bad little girl and she go up and she diverged from her culture. That's why she end up in a Jamaica and listen to Jamaican music and all of those stuff. Because hey, anyway, she's in Jamaica now. She leave her job, hunt down this man over Instagram, looking while him in a prison. But she had look on the brighter picture. She's a dollar sign. A dollar sign she see. So when people are gonna say, oh, she loyal and she wait on her fiancé. You know what she do when she got Turkey? Like when she fly back from Jamaica and go to Turkey, you know what she does? Like you guys don't have a clue, but you know we put on her head on the block and say, the girl just nice and she not fussy and it's a different culture. She's coming from a different culture, so she's not gonna be like she's not gonna express herself as how we express ourselves. But come on, man, me can't understand how people are going like Jamaican people. Some of the Jamaican people them act as if, you know, Bob Marley say emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. And since this whole saga, cartel saga has been in the public, boy, you really see how it seems as if some people mind really down in the gutter, and boy, I don't know if it's a ghetto mindset. Like if it's a ghetto people mindset, because for them mouth loud, you know, when them do certain thing, it just transcends all over the Jamaica. You make it seems as if it's the entire, you know, Jamaica that is like that. But the ghetto mentality, and a whole of Jamaica have the ghetto mentality there. Half of us not grow up that way. A lot of us, you know, come from decent home. A lot of us never grew up in a suffering and poverty. A lot of us actually come from decent family, and we went to decent school, and we have a decent way of thinking, I would say. But it's like a lot of people are trapped in mental slavery, and a lot of us deny. A lot of us as Jamaican deny. We act as if Jamaica is this perfect place. I talk when we're in the island, you know. We act as if there's certain things that other people experience, like what they experience within their social group or what they experience within their country. We act as if those things don't happen in Jamaica. Oh, no, Jamaica, we're not racist. Oh, I understand when it comes to racism. I wouldn't say that we are racist, because that if you know the definition of racism, we're not in a power. We not hold no power. We not have no power structure. So it's not about when I come to racism. My view of racism is not like that. I don't know what your view is, but when it come on to certain form of discrimination, or when it come on to certain type of prejudice, or discrimination, certain type of prejudice against somebody else, we suffer from a lot of those things in Jamaica. And a lot of us really not like ourselves, whether you want to agree or you don't want to agree. A lot of us don't like ourselves. We're not proud of ourselves. A lot of us bleach because uno can tell uno self say uno bleach because of this or uno bleach because of that. Anybody who love their skin, anybody who love themselves, them now go burn up them head with hair cream to achieve a straight texture. Well, maybe if you want to straighten out your hair, why not use a straightening comb and just put in a straightening style sometime, and then another time you rock a normal thing. But if you constantly have this chemical that's been put in the hair, and that's been we guys have been doing it for years and years and years. So we do it when we're pregnant, we do it when we're not pregnant, we do it all around the year. So, and you can imagine how dangerous, I'm sure you have heard of how dangerous the chemicals in those hair products are. And imagine being pregnant and having your hair processed with that kind of thing. And imagine the fetus. Some things must have got passed, something have got passed down without we even knowing that's what's going on. So a lot of people really not like them skin color, and a lot of people bleach. A lot of people, well, I'm talking about Jamaica now, I'm not talking about any other country. I don't know what goes on in other people's country. I'm a Jamaican and I can only speak of what is going on in Jamaica. You understand me? So the bleaching thing turn up at Jamaica, and I don't know why. It's not that I don't know why. We just not like ourselves. But we now go admit it. We done dead before we admit it, say, we just not like the black color, or no. Them are gonna come up with all different type of things and say, oh, are the style, or are the this, are the that. But at the end of the day, man, if you love yourself, you're not gonna put yourself through that. When you see how the bleaching cream do some of the people them who use it, how it do them skin in such a bad way, but that is still not enough to stop, because the whiter them is the better that they feel. Even people who are very, very, even black people who have a very light skin tone, those people bleach as well. And I'm thinking, is it really that bad? Are your psychic really that messed up that you want to be more paler than how you are? Like, why would you want to set up yourself to sketch skin CANCER and all of those things. But saying this to say that I know that I trail off the argument a bit, but I was just talking about Sidem and how the Jamaican population, especially people from the lower sector of society, if I can say so, like the less educated people. Me no want nobody say them dunce. Me no mean so no dunce, but a lot of people who are not educated, probably up to tertiary level, are that you have a lot of those people who just stop a basic school and them never go no school more than basic school. Some of them never even got primary school. But me can't blame them still, because maybe they were from a household that their parents were never able to afford them kind of stuff. Those basic, I was gonna say luxury, but that's not luxury, that's just a basic thing to provide for your child. Sorry. That's just a basic thing to provide for any child that you have. But I don't know, maybe because people grow up in so much poverty, it's like it have something to do with their mindset that it travel with them right through. Because trust me, as much as I don't have no money now, like I don't feel the need that I am in need of nothing. Like I've always have everything that I've wanted ever since I was a baby. My father always, even my mother never do it because my father grew me. My father and film side of family. So, you know, we never shot or nothing. Who know. You know? Who know the thing, know how the thing goes. So, me no when they come on to bungle up in a bed or couldn't afford to go to school. Or, no. From me know myself, me in my own room. From I know myself, me in my own space. The only time I share one room with Debbie was my cousin. Me and Debbie used to share the middle room and my father, mother yard. My granny, because my granny have a big house now, a big 5-bedroom. The boys on one side and the girl cousins on the other side. So I don't know if it's because of the mentality of how a lot of people grow up, even though they may come into money, but because of that, from them childhood days, I don't know. I think it do something to them brain. Yeah. I think it do something to them brain because I don't understand why they lack I was gonna say constructive criticism, but that's not the word that I'm looking for. They lack, anyway, the word gone out of my head now when I remember. But yeah, but if people, a girl is just a normal girl, and I don't have a problem with him or who he want choose or whatever. But I can't take on the big man them on a little pitney them some of the time, and I say, Lord, it just looks so disgusting. I say the man them in my age group I be a fool of themselves. But anyway, it is what it is. Sir P, come on strong. Well, I don't know why I like watch politics one, so I don't see why they might take this. I can't do Sir P, this little YouTuber ruffle so much people head. Why you don't make a little YouTuber ruffle my head so much? You don't just listen when I say and go on. If you don't agree, but you don't make it look like say Sir P are the next messiah. Come on no man, calm down. Sir P is just another vlogger. Sir P from Politics Watch is just another vlogger like everybody else. But he hurt enough for no. He look like he juke enough for no sore. Me can't bear to hear nobody else bad about politics once. You know. Once I go on a website and them say anything negative, like me say, I don't want to hear that. Like, yeah, I don't want to hear. Because Politics Watch make everybody run on a scamper. Can you believe it? One blogger who then say I watch people and bad mind artists. Only make sure someone go by Sir P go watch him because he has a lot of information out there and the movement is not going anywhere soon. So who know and who no. But yeah, Sir P lick a few nail on the head and it has been ruffling a lot of people, but them not understand how them can get rid of this little YouTuber Or them can't get rid of this little YouTuber. Anyways, Sir P was giving his take on the situation inside them cartel woman with them say him fiancé with them say married to a young girl. And the man said she know exactly what she signed up for. So even though the world boss promised her in front of the whole world to box her in her BBC face if she chat enough. Imagine you're your man out and you can't say, you cannot ask a question, you cannot answer a question from somebody of the opposite sex because your man I go promise you a box down. That's why big man I love them with big man like me now, because big man like me, we not take certain things. You have some like a fool one still about, you know. But majority of big man like myself here, we not gonna take certain things, man. It no matter how much money we have, because we learn how to survive. We learn how to navigate through life, and we know that money is not all. And we kind of develop a different sense of reasoning, so we kind of understand that certain material things is really just that. Material things, and it doesn't make us who we are. So we're not gonna stand up to certain type of degradation. That's how you go. Degradation, something like that. We're not gonna stand to it. We booger man, we're not gonna stand to certain things. So that's why, pardon me, that's why some of them man, yeah, them go look for some younger girl they can control their head. Because which man couldn't talk to me in public at my big age? At my big age. Not even my daddy couldn't promise me to box me down when he was alive. Your mother? True. Never my father couldn't promise me in a box down. So me don't understand. No man can promise me. I must in a bedroom and I talk something like we have mess about. But in a real World Wide Web, you promise me and you say, oh man, not man talk to your woman. Virgin, stop behave like you know you used to woman. I mean I want a man talk to your woman. Like then something that sound alright. But I don't know. Anyway, people, if you don't want to see more of these things, you don't have to go follow Politics Watch, or you guys can always search on the internet and you will get a better understanding of what I'm talking about. If I see any clips, I will try and insert some of the clips in the video so you can have a better understanding of what I was rumbling about. So, I'm in colors today because today was 31 degrees Celsius. So, I have on, you know, I might want like a unique style because we don't follow people. We don't follow people and we love ourselves in any farm. We love our hair in any farm. We love our skin tone. Anywhere we stay. Yeah. That's a God make way. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And come back for more. Peace.